Hey guys, Canadian Pyro. So for today's video, we've got a Pro Series cake. Should be really nice. It's recommended to me as well. It's Medley by BEM. I've been a real big fan of BEM lately, so I'm expecting a lot from this. I really hope it exceeds my expectations. But let's look at the effects. So 42 shots, nice big shot count on there. Rows 1 and 2 are time rain comments, so that's pretty cool. We get some comments in there. 3, 5, and 7 are brocade tail with white glitter, and rows 4 and 6 are a silver whirl flower. So that should be really cool. Let's cut open the top and see how it's laid out. Oh, that's cool. So I wonder if these are going to be some comets. I guess it says row, what is that? So row 4, and what was row 4 again? Oh, row 4 is the silver whirl flowers. So that'll be really cool actually with those 4 coming out from the side. But yeah, it looks like the rest are all just straight pattern back and forth. A little messed up with that one there, but that's okay. It'll be a nice angle. Yeah, let's go test this thing out. Okay, here goes. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys.